Hello everyone, this is my official apology video for whatever this is. Let's take it off together. I take full responsibility for this, however, you were the ones who asked me to do it. And in my defense, you wanted disturbing makeup, I gave you disturbing makeup. But I'm still very sorry. Let's take her off. I deserve that. If this is in my hair, I won't even complain. Y'all about to start getting sleep paralysis demons that look like this. This is already nightmare fuel, so I don't think I can make it much worse here. Never mind. I am pretty much clean. My face is stained, especially the smile right here, but, you know, I had it coming. Please give me suggestions of what cartoon I should do next that I can actually do a good job on and not have to make an apology video later. Thank you.
It's time to take this off. Isn't it cute though? Okay, well, these aren't my real eyes, so I'm gonna take these out. Yeah. I put these little candies on with liquid latex. Let's get the other side. Oh! Last one. I think these are edible. That does not taste good. Gotta get these eyelashes off. There's one. There's two. Now we're gonna wipe this off. Thanks for watching. Take off my makeup with me, Zombie Minion Edition. Okay, I genuinely don't think anybody has done this before. This blood under my eyes is so sticky. Oh God. If this isn't commitment to good content, I don't know what is. It's kind of coming off. My ears are stained yellow, but I'm gonna go shower. Take off my makeup with me, Clown Edition. Okay, these obviously aren't my real eyes, so let's get these contacts out. Oh my lord, I can see. Okay, this is probably gonna hurt me. Oh my gosh. Ow, ow. Ow. I'm gonna spray this. And now, we wipe. Oh my. Let's get the other eye. Oh my gosh, I have eyelashes on. I completely forgot I had these on. I'm gonna go shower. Take off my makeup with me, Capricorn Edition. This took me so long to do, and I've had it on for literally 5 minutes. Okay, I have eyelashes here. And here. Let's get these contacts out. This is depressing. I'm depressed. No, not the horse. This is a look right here. I'm gonna go shower. Take off my makeup with me, Spider Edition. This is the first time I've ever used this contact lens, and I just got my nails done yesterday, so I'm kind of scared to take it out. Okay, we're good. Not as hard as I thought. Let's give it a little spray. Oh gosh, I think I got it in my eyes. Oh no. I can't see, so I'm just gonna start wiping and hope that something's happening. Oh my, I have so much stuff in my eye right now. Oh! I mean, I got most of the paint off, so I think I have to go wash my face.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? It's time to take this off again. I went to go take some pictures in the bath, and now I'm really cold. And still a little bit wet. Honestly, I'm kind of surprised how well my makeup held up in water, because, like, this is paper. With that being said, it should come off pretty easily. Look at this little fin. This is so sad. Taking off makeups that took this long is always so sad. Ow, it's stuck in my hair. This neck piece took so long to make, and now it's gone. There's still latex on my shoulder though. Not anymore. She sells seashells on the seashore. Ow. Adding a third eye to any makeup look is always so much fun. I even painted it white to match the contacts. Little gemstones. Boop, boop. Contacts. Now that I can see, I realized that I completely forgot about the gold foil. So small. Ow. Fun. I took a shower and I'm all clean now. But you have an amazing day. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? It's time to take this off again. Oh my god, how I'm overheating. I'm gonna learn from my mistakes and take my contacts out first so I can see. Oop, there we go. Oh, scary teeth. Now the feathers. I already know this one's gonna hurt. Ah, that's my skin. Okay, we're making progress. Now we gotta repeat that same thing on the other side. Looking at the good sides, my neck is really smooth now. And now it's just the easy part left. Almost forgot the lashes. Oh boy. I just look delightful. There's way too much hair gel in my hair, so I'm gonna go shower. I took a shower and I'm all clean now. And you guys have an amazing day.
This is 100 layers of concealer, and I'm gonna be attempting to take it off. It's literally burning. It literally looks like I'm melting. All right, let's do it. Just look at that. My pores are screaming. Don't know how it ended up in my eyebrow. It's really itchy. I just wanna... Ah, yummy! Oh, wow. I'm gonna give her a swipe. Find that eyebrow that is hidden. Oh, there she is. These are the dirtiest makeup wipes I have ever seen. It's like in my eyes. That is the best I could do. I'm gonna go wash my face.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? You already know what time it is. It's time to take this off again. I can't wait to take this off. Oh my god. But, to give myself some credit, I'm really happy with how this turned out. I made these ears out of paper and wire, and let's take them off. Oop. This isn't even a correct bald cap. It's a hair cap. Wig cap is the right word. I forgot that word. This is air dry clay, and my skin is not happy with it. It's squishy. I'm mentally preparing myself for being able to breathe again. Oop. Ah. What is this? I'm just gonna finish taking the rest of this off. And of course, we need the nightmare fuel. Oh boy. Alright, the moment of truth. No. There's no way. I took a shower. It's not coming off.
It is time to take this makeup off. Let's get these contacts out. Okay, great. Love that. Ow. I heard that if you use tape, that glitter comes off easier, so I'm gonna test that out. Okay. That literally got all of it off. Like before and after. I'm gonna do this side too. Getting the forehead. I think that's pretty good, so now I'm gonna start wiping it off with my makeup towel. Get the lips. Thanks for watching. Get on ready with me, Ice Queen edition. Let me take the headband off. I literally sprayed my hair white. Take these contacts out. I can see. I feel like these are gonna be hard to get off. Oh gosh. This is literally hot glue that I made look like an icicle. Shouldn't hurt as bad on my forehead. It's a gem right there. Get this glitter off. Or not. I'm gonna go shower and get this out of my hair. I literally look like a bug that just got hit with a fly swatter, but I'm gonna be wiping on my makeup. Well, I'm not actually wiping on makeup. I wiped off my makeup and put it in reverse, but if I could wipe on makeup like this, that'd be a pretty nifty skill. But anyways, I'm throwing this bad boy in reverse because y'all said that girls would give me 100,000 likes if I did it. So here it is, TikTok. Please put me on the For You page. Like, come on. Please. I'm begging you. I look like Patricia McDonald. Take off my makeup with me. I have an appointment at the animal shelter and I have to be there in literally 5. If I go like this, do you think they would let me take home a cat? They probably would think that I was gonna force the cat to have an excruciating life in the circus and train him to jump through hoops and stuff with little to no compensation. Or they would just call the cops and then put up a most wanted sign in front of the shelter. Regardless, I'm not really trying to find out. So today I decided to cosplay as your ex, and no, that was not your sign to text him. Aren't these contacts sick? They're like clocks. Really small clocks. Speaking of clocks, do you know what time it is? It's time for you to stop scrolling on TikTok and get out of bed and maybe, I don't know, clean your room, do the dishes, do that homework you've been putting off. I'm just trying to keep you thriving, queen. So you won't end up like this. Bye, I'm going to the shelter. Comment if you think I should get a cat.